Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how to add someone by username in Telegram. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So in order to add someone by username in Telegram, what you need to do is first thing you need to make sure that you've already added their contact information on your contact list. Only then you'll be able to add someone by username in Telegram. So if you've already added the contact information, so all you need to do is launch your Telegram application. And as you open up your Telegram application, you'll be directed to the chat page, and right on top you'll be able to see a search bar. All you need to do is type in the username that you want to add it on your Telegram. So in order to add them in your Telegram, you need to provide the correct username. As you type in the name, you'll be able to see the contact list right in the bottom or in the suggestion list. So that is how you can add someone by username in Telegram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.